I said two forces that Star is dealing with are Kings because she dry snitched on him and her friends at her all-white school. What did you say?
I said Star has two forces on him. The Kings want her to speak out, but what she's saying, because like she tries to, like don't want to speak out, and the other force is community wanting to speak out.
Yes.
Would you write? Would you write?
I'm hungry. We're fine. But like I am hungry. Sorry.
Right.
It's been going for 20 minutes.
Wait.
20 minutes. No.
Right.
You expect me not to say something dumb.
Shut up.
20 minutes. I'll go to church. Are you gonna go to Sunday?
So the dry snitching, but then what's the other friend?
Am I supposed to record this?
Okay, I have books on my desk. Okay, then go sit down. Okay, go sit down. Berto, go sit down, please.
How do you spell Oprah?
Oprah. O-F.
There's no
O-P-H-R-A-H. That's what it looks like, Oprah.
P-H-R-A-H.
All right, if you can have my voice clap once, if you can hear my voice clap twice, if you can hear my voice clap 3 times. So, I'm sorry, when I get to 3, what does that mean? Okay, so, Tawan, I know you guys talked about it because I heard it. What is one force that Star is dealing with? What's one issue that Star is dealing with in her community as she's thinking about speaking out about what happened to Khalil?
The media trying to pressure to tell them the truth.
Okay, so the media, the pressure of wanting to tell the truth. And then Bella, what was the other one that you said? What was the other force that was applied to her? Right. So remember the king. Who is king? He's the head of the King Lords. He's the gang leader and the big drug dealer. Right. He tells Big Mav she better watch herself because she dry snitched. Right. She called him out. So she's got these two different forces. Right. This desire to speak out and defend Khalil. Right. This Ofra, just us for justice. Right. They want her to speak out. Kenya, right, wants her to speak out. But King's like, if she speaks out, I'm gonna get her. Right? What ultimately happens? What is Big Mav's solution to that problem? Do you remember chapter 16, Halima? What was Big Mav, her dad's solution? What does he say they're gonna do in chapter 16? Huh? Speak out. They're gonna move, right? They decide that they're going to finally move out of Garden Heights, right? And this is something that Mom has wanted for a while. And now Big Mav says she's speaking out, she's doing the right thing. So now we're gonna, gentlemen, I'm gonna move you two if you can't sit together, okay? All right, so that's what we're gonna focus on today. We're gonna talk about chapter 17. Sit up, please. All right, here is our CLO. Students will be able to analyze how real-life events shape fictional stories. So we're going to talk more and have a discussion today about some of the issues that are involved in this book. Remember yesterday we talked about who?
What was it? Michael, George.
Trayvon Martin and George Zimmerman. Right? Today, ladies, I'm going to move you. Okay? Today we're going to look at a couple of other cases. Some of this group are going to read Martin Luther King Jr.'s A Letter from Birmingham Jail, right? And we're going to read different articles and have different discussions about some of these issues and come up with what do we think are some solutions. Okay. So, here is, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have a chance to talk in just a minute. Okay. So again, in your table groups, I want to take about 5 minutes because we're all the way through section 1. So we started section 2, if you remember, yesterday. Okay. So in your table groups, just to kind of give us a refresher, in your table groups, I want you to discuss what you learned in the book so far. Is there anything that has inspired you? Anything that's made you like, oh man, that's amazing? And what has made you think? Okay? So take about 3 minutes and just talk in your groups. What have you learned about the book? Is there something that has inspired you? And is there something that's made you think? Go ahead and talk about it, please.
So far in the book, I have learned.
We'll fight.
I know that there's a lot of unjustified racial profiling going around in more poverty full neighborhoods, like in Garden Heights, how they were just driving and they had a broken taillight and the police officer was like, oh, you need to get out of the car before I kick you into a car. Yeah, it was. Basically. And then he ended up shooting him. It inspired me because Star is standing up and for what she believes is right. And that's a cool thing to do.
Okay, what was the other one? What made
something
you
that made me think was if there's been more cases like this where people just get pulled over, like not just shooting really, but like when people get pulled over for stupid stuff like a broken taillight and make them get like arrested or something. Yep.
Okay. What has inspired me from this
How about you
book
guys? What's something that
What have you learned?
is what have you learned from this book so far? I have learned that Star is a good character. So I learned Star is a strong character, but she might be sad all the time because like her best friend died like 2 times.
Best friends died.
But what
You'd be able to see
inspired me?
yes, I would be more
Inspired me to.
Okay, how about you guys? What's something that's made you think or inspired you so much?
Star would be able to see thestrals. Like in Harry Potter.
No.
You know how when Luna's mom dies, she can see
No,
the
stop.
thestrals because she watched someone die. So can Harry.
I don't care.
Star would be able to see because extra.
Okay.
I bet Voldemort could see thestrals because he killed a bunch of people. So technically he watched someone die.
Very good. All right, if you can hear my voice clap once, if you can hear my voice clap twice, if you can hear my voice clap 3 times. Okay, I want to come over to this table real quick. You two, Danae and Brisa, had 2 good answers. So, Danae, tell us what's something that has inspired you from this book so far?
What inspired me was when Star answered the question of like, what would you say was the feeling if he was sitting next to you? She said like, you wished you wouldn't have shot me back there.
Right.
That takes a lot of guts.
So it takes a lot of guts to say, does he wish that he would have killed me too, right? Sort of, she talks about the punch to the jaw, right? Remember, she talks about this interview and really having that courage. This back table, Halima, you had a really good answer. What was your answer? That she spoke up, right? That she just had the courage, through all this stuff that's going on, she had this courage to really speak up. Okay? All right. Take the headphones out. I'm going to take them from you. They're going to be mine. They're going to be mine here. The AirPods. What?
You know what's his art?
Or what? All right. You can hear my voice clap once. You can hear my voice clap twice. You can hear my voice clap 3 times. Okay. So here's what I'd like you to do. Let's see. We have this group. You 3 gentlemen, can I have you come over here and join this group, please? This one right here. Come on. Come on. Okay, so here's what I'd like us to do. You're going to read chapter 17. I want everybody to take turns reading. So you're going to read out loud. Okay? And I want everybody taking turns reading chapter 17. Let me get there. It's on page 291. We're almost there. Okay? All right.
How do you pause it?
It's not done yet. There's still 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That'll
that
stop
pause?
it. That'll stop it.
How do I?
Pause. Wait.
Do I just stop it and then like I have to restart a new video, right?
Maybe.
We'll just do that.